everyone, it's me, Alegra. I'm hopping out tonight with one of the biggest hauls ever, PR haul, makeup haul, friend mail haul. Wait till I show you what I got. I'm just gonna dive right in because we have a bunch here. Now you guys, I got a package here, friend mail from Michelle. So many of you beauties already know Michelle. You love her as much as I do. I will have her link down below. She is an amazing friend to all. She is friends with Janie and she's friends with many of you beauties, I'm sure. So if she's not friends with you already, go ahead and follow her on Instagram. I will have her link down below and I'll tag her. Hopefully she'll comment on this video and I'll pin her comment so you can find her easily. She's just such a great person. And so she was good enough to send me a friend mail package, and last time she sent things for Roxy and Roxy was flipping out. So she did say something about Roxy again. So Roxy's not here though now, guys. She's upstairs and she's sleeping. It's like 4 o'clock in the morning. But anyway, guys, look at this package here. But maybe Louie and Lola are over there, so maybe they'll come over. But look, you know what I didn't get to mention last time? She packages everything so beautifully. So I just can't even believe this is just amazing alone. I'll definitely be repurposing this paper. It's beautiful for, you know, for a future giveaway, one of our future giveaways. But you guys, what is this, Michelle? You're so crazy. Oh my gosh. Stop. Oh my gosh, you guys, look at this beautiful water bottle that she sent. It says, it's let's get started, remember your goals, keep it up, all kinds of inspiring messages on it. Love the peach and blue. It's so beautiful. Oh my gosh. And the cap is this beautiful, just clear lucite like material. Oh my gosh, I love this. Thank you so much, Michelle. Honest to God, I'm not even joking. I do not have a water bottle like this and I wanted to get one because I've started riding my bicycle and there's a little spot for a water bottle like this that you can kind of lay with it, because I don't have the tops to any of my Yeti or whatnot, and besides I feel like it'll fall out. But this is locked and secure your beverage, so it won't fall out, so you can put it, you know, in that little bike thing they have. So thank you so much, Michelle. I'm so happy. If you'll see me glowing more because I'm drinking my water thanks to Michelle. And oh my gosh, something else, guys, a collapsible basket. Now come on, oh my gosh, because I was just thinking I can't take it. There's so much clutter. I was just thinking I need baskets. Oh my gosh, this is so perfect, Michelle. Thank you. It does close down. I have the stuff. These things come down. Okay. And you guys should see. And I said, this is ridiculous. I said, I'm going to have to go to the store and buy some kind of basket. Yes, this is what I'm going to do, guys. Next time you see me, Michelle, thank you so much. This is so crazy. This is going to be filled with my makeup. But oh my gosh, you guys, stop. Michelle, wait till my husband sees this. Thank you so much. My husband is obsessed with brushing Roxy's teeth. And look what she sent. I swear on my life, he is obsessed with brushing her teeth every night. Oh my gosh, Michelle, you are like psychic. I said, we are like psychically connected because it's weird. Wow, and how did you find this for $1.25? Where did you get this? You got to tell me. This is amazing. My husband spends so much money buying her the toothbrushes and all that. And this is the toothbrush and the toothpaste, Arm & Hammer, chicken flavor, dental kit. It says on here $1.25. She is amazing. She is amazing. Thank you so much. I mean, I'm saying because that is amazing. We've been spending like at least $10 just on maybe the toothpaste, and he goes through it like crazy because he's constantly brushing her teeth. So let me just put that over here so I don't want to lose anything. That's got to go upstairs. Too bad he's sleeping because I would go show him and he'd flip out. So, oh my God, Michelle, I swear on my life. I was just thinking about why don't I have a lint roller, because I bought something at the store that had lint all over and I wanted to give it for Christmas and I couldn't get the lint off. Thank you so much. I truly needed this, like you can't imagine. And look at this beautiful bamboo handle. Oh my gosh, this is beautiful. Thank you so much, Michelle. I don't know how she thinks. I swear, again, on my life. And then sometimes I'm getting, is that why? Does she see? Sometimes I even have, you know, I'll be doing video and I'll get powder on me. And then I see it back and I'm like, I said to myself the other day, I said, Alegra, just buy a flippin' lint roll thing. So just after I do my makeup, just roll myself down. Because sometimes, you know, I'm doing my makeup and it's, you know. Thank you so much. Oh, look at this. She's going to flip out. This is for Roxy. This is just what she needs because it's hard and she can't break it. And she could chew for hours. She loves to chew. Thank you so much. This is also Bambones salmon flavored bamboo fibers. Thank you so much. I gotta put that in Roxy's stuff going upstairs. Oh my gosh, Michelle, how did you get these? I was gonna order when you sent me the other ones last time. I said, let me order more because I love those brushes. These are Candy Couture. This is, I looked it up, Margaret Joseph's from Real Housewives of New Jersey. She has a brush collection and she has other stuff too. But if you know Margaret Joseph's Real Housewives of New Jersey, she has very amazing styling. That's why I'm not surprised she made such beautiful things. But Michelle, oh my gosh. Thank you so much. I don't know if you've seen me. I've been using your brushes that you got me in my videos. This is one of my favorite brushes ever for doing the foundation. Oh, it's so soft. Guys, they have these at Walmart. If you're looking for brushes, I don't know if Michelle got these at Walmart, but look at this little one for doing the eyeshadow, the concealer. These brushes are amazing, and this beautiful champagne color. Thank you so much, Michelle. I would never have found out about these if it wasn't for you. Like I was saying in the other video, she always finds amazing things. And not only are these beautiful, but they're so soft and they're just the best. They're just amazing. Oh, and then here's a little thing that you can, what is it, to when you wash them? Foundation brush, fan brush, makeup removing mitt. Wow. It's so soft. Thank you so much. Oh my God, I'm just gonna lose my mind with happiness. So I'm just trying not to lose anything. But you guys, there's so much in here. So, oh my gosh, Michelle, you are the best. You're amazing. Look at, what is this? And should you guys see what, oh my God, a candle holder, you guys. This is beautiful. Thank you. Oh my goodness. Did you guys see the wood candle holder that she gave me last time and I put it out for Christmas? It looks so beautiful. Thank you so much. Let's just put that like a decoration. It's beautiful. Thank you. It's like she knows we like the same stuff. Oh my God, she sent a card. Oh my gosh, and it's like I don't know, I don't know what you call that, but it's beautiful. It's like 3D. Oh my God. Wow. I don't even want to open it. She has the stickers all over. I don't want to mess it up. Happy New Year. In the journey of life, wherever God takes us, His love will go with us. Oh my God. Oh, she put the stickers inside too. Praying the year ahead will be full of inspiring adventures that reveal God's blessing and love. Oh my God. Thank you so much, Michelle. And the same to you. I wish you and all of you beauties the most amazing year, 2025. Allegra and hubby fur babies. Oh, wavy like the ocean, Michelle. Thank you, Michelle. Lord, you see me when I travel and when I rest at home. You know everything I do. You go before me and follow me. Every day of my life was recorded in your book. Lead me along the path of everlasting life. Oh my gosh, you guys. Thank you so much, Michelle. There's no way. I don't want to tell you guys, but now that I just was having something really bad, not bad, but something very upsetting just happened to me. So you sending this to me at this right time is just so amazing. Such a sign to me, like you said, in that God's path is, we're on God's path. So it's nothing, you don't have to be sad. You see me when I travel. You know everything I do. You go before me and follow me. Every day of my life is recorded in your book. Yes, thank you so much, Michelle. And look at this, guys. Oh my gosh, how beautiful. Look at this beautiful package here. W7 all day and night, day to night look. Oh my gosh, all these goodies in here. I'm going to be black and we'll do a look as an eyeshadow, shimmer highlighter, lippy chic, lip gloss. Oh my gosh, thank you so much. Oh, and a little face chart. Love that. I love face charts. And then here, oh my gosh, more for Roxy. She said that she found that she had sent Roxy some things. Oh my gosh, thank you. Oh, here's another one. Thank you. She's going to be over the moon. Oh my God, there's another one. She's going to go. My husband won't let her have these. He keeps taking them away, but I'm going to hide these and give them to her. Oh my gosh. Thank you so much, Michelle. She's going to flip out. There's like five here with the fish one before. So there's so many. Thank you. And then, oh my gosh. One of the papers just opened and look at what is in here. Wow. Oh my gosh, I love these. I actually just threw one out that I had that was so dirty. These little tiny finger sponges that you can do under your eyes. Thank you so much. And then, oh, ice roller. Thank you so much, Michelle. I hope my battery don't die. I better go faster. Thank you. CoverGirl shimmer. I love this. I love to put this on. Shimmer eyeshadow. Here is lip contour kits. Thank you so much. I can't wait. I'm going to just be doing looks with all these. Eyeliner. Wow. 2-pack eyeliner. Brown. I love that. Oh, that's Exaggerate Eyes. Is that from Rimmel? Oh my gosh. Love Rimmel. Look at this. Lasting Color by Style Essentials. Oh my gosh, 8-hour color. Cannot wait to try that. Oh, I need one of these. My other one is missing and I needed a new one. I said, why, where is it? A lash case with mirror. Girl, I needed this so bad. Thank you so much. And then here is Flyaway Finishing Hair Cream with brush. Oh, I need that. Thank you so much. I wish I could put it on right now. I need it right now, desperately. And then here is this lip glaze from Profusion. I love Profusion. And then here is Illuminating Coconut Primer from Lottie London. Oh my gosh, thank you so much. You guys, there is still more. I told you this is the biggest ever. Oh my gosh, an apple. A wooden apple. Oh my god, you know I love wood. That's why she knows I'm obsessed with wood. Thank you. That's beautiful. And let's see what else. You guys, there's more. Oh my gosh, a beautiful, a vanity organizer. The emerald green with the gold. Thank you so much. This is exactly what I need, because if you could see what I'm working with here, you wouldn't believe it. And I don't know why, I just cannot get organized, but I'm going to put my brushes or something in there. Brushes. I have too many brushes. Oh my gosh, look at this. A box with apples on it. But look at this, makeup brush covers. What is that? Protects your brushes. I love it. And they're shaped like roses and they're pink. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to try that because I love brushes. Oh my god, stop! She got Aussie socks. Iron Maiden socks. Michelle, can I give these to my husband? He's gonna flip out. That's what he has on Day and Night Hair Nation. Can I give these to him, Michelle? He's gonna flip out. He is gonna flip out because he loves those bands, the 80s Hair Nation bands. Oh my gosh, thank you. Purifying sheet masks. Here is another mask, Glow on Fifth Beauty. Wow, thank you so much. You might know I'm addicted to sheet masks. So, did I get to show you this? Small facial cloths. Love that. I can't wait to use this tonight. Oh, and these beautiful makeup bags. I was also going to wear this tonight, too. I had a shirt like this, and I was about to wear it tonight. Thank you, because I love that print. Thank you so much. And the beautiful blush pink. Michelle, I don't know how to thank you enough. I just want you to know how much I am grateful for you. And I do believe, and I do feel like I'm so blessed that God sent you to my life, good friends like you, and I'm so grateful. And I just feel like it's no even coincidence, this beautiful card that you sent me. It's like God, I just feel so good knowing that, like you said, God knows the path. He knows what's been going on. And he, just like what it said in the card, tonight, it just really makes me feel like that more than ever. Just knowing that God, he made everything right. He will make everything right. Thank you so much for being my friend and Roxy and my husband. I don't know if those are my husband, but he's going to love those. And I did tell her, she was posting pictures. I said, oh my gosh, my husband would love those. She saw them in one of the stores and I saw her post it. I don't know if that's why she got them. Thank you so much, Michelle. Because I saw her, she posted them she posts so many good things on Instagram. So she posted those socks on Instagram. And I was like, oh my gosh, I gotta get those for my husband. He will love them. So thank you he's really gonna flip out. You have no idea. So thank you so much, Michelle. I'm so grateful. Now, I don't even know if my battery will last anymore. I do have some more things, but I'll probably just come back because I don't know what else. Guys, I had a lot of things here. I got this beautiful PR package from NARS. I'll just insert a clip. Actually, that I unboxed it on Instagram. It's their beautiful Afterglow Sensual Shine lipsticks, and then they also sent the lip and cheek tint. So I'll be back and we'll test these out. So I'm so grateful, guys, because God all of this just means the world to me, It's like God rewarded me for, following my heart and you know. Oh, look at this, guys. Because my heart loves makeup. My heart loves makeup beauty, you know. So look at this, guys. I got this beautiful hat here from actually, let me open it from YouTube. It sent me this beautiful beanie cap. So isn't it beautiful? It has the play button. It's very soft. I love the colors. Thank you so much. Without YouTube, I would never have met you guys. And you know, oh my gosh, it's really changed my life, because before I just used to be my own little world. If you look at these guys they sent me, I'll tell you guys really quickly. From Pharmacy, Green Clean Makeup Melt Away Cleansing Balm. And this is a lip mask. So I love Pharmacy products. Lip smoothie. So I'll be back and we'll test those out. And then I got this package here from Ipsy. So I'll be back and we'll unbox this. Oh, I got that beautiful purse that I wanted to show you guys. I got this beautiful purse here from this brand. I believe I'm not going to say it right. I meant to look it up before I came and chit-chatted. Hapai, H.Pi. This bag is so gorgeous. I could not believe my eyes. And then I looked on their website and they had another style that I really want to get. But this one they were good enough to send me. Isn't this gorgeous? I couldn't believe it. I was so in shock, you guys. It's like a work of art. And they have a beautiful little toiletry looking bag. It looks like a little vanity bag, but it's this material in different colors. I definitely want to get one of those in the gray color. I think it was called Elephant Gray. It was so beautiful. I do, you know, have more stuff, but I think my battery's gonna die. But you guys, I will definitely have that brand link down below, because they are such amazing quality. They are leather though. But it's beautiful. And so I do have more stuff here, but I'll come back because there's way too much. But thank you again so much, Michelle. Thank you to NARS and H.Pi. I'm not saying that right. H.Pi. I'll try to insert a better clip and with the right pronunciation. But thank you, beauties, so much for coming and spending time with me today. Thank you so much, Michelle. Thank you so much, YouTube. I hope everybody is having a happy holiday season, and I love you guys so much, and I'll see you very soon. Bye.